fuel station here is at mile marker 149. It's Mill City, Nevada. It used to be just a mom and pop place, and then the TA bought it out. But I used to come here since I was a kid. And I remember in the 80s, when I was in high school, I was talking to a guy here while my dad was sleeping. And he showed me a nugget, a gold nugget. It was pretty big. It was in the palm of his hand. He let me put it in my hand. It was pretty heavy. It was gold. And he says that he lives in one of these trailer parks here. And he says he has a secret spot in the mountains here where he goes gold mining in the old mines. And he found that nugget, and it costs a lot of money. So he's keeping it till the prices go up. But he wanted to share that with me. I was just a kid. It was from this mountain over here. And he goes mining in there. There's old mine shafts in there, and that's what he told me. And that was in the early 80s. But it was neat to meet guys like that. He just wanted to talk to people, and I was walking around, and he was too. He came over here just for the heck of it, probably to get some stuff. But I was just talking to him, and he asked where I was from. I said I was from Wisconsin. And all of a sudden he pulls that out. He wanted to show me. He was bragging. But yeah, Mill City. I need to buy some reefer fuel too. But it's good to get this all done. Looks like I can get all the way before Salt Lake City is Twelly. But I gotta get everything all cleaned up here. Once I fill up, I gotta get some reefer fuel too. I like to put a license plate bracket on here, stainless steel. That would look pretty nice. Touch of class. There's not much really to do on here. But I'd sure like to get this washed. These are just 100-gallon tanks on each side. That was quick. A long time ago, they used to have smaller hoses. It took forever. Long lines of trucks. The Flying J came out, and they had bigger hoses. And all of a sudden, everybody else started doing that too, because everybody liked Flying J because it was quick and fast.